Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I built an attic hatch for my garage. This whole project took me 4 days. It could have been faster, but well, there is always a but. Right now you can see the opening in the ceiling. In the winter, the cold draft coming from there is unavailable. So I finally decided to seal it off. I used materials I already had lying around the garage, a few wooden 4-inch strips and an old desktop. I only had to buy one sheet of 1/8 hardboard, some foam insulation and PL 300 foamboard adhesive. By the way guys, if you enjoyed this video please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps me motivated. You can also support me by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description. Thanks and enjoy the show. As with any project, some issues popped up. The old desktop was too small, so I had to join it with a piece of shelf from the same desk to get the right size. I've never done this before, but I wanted to save some money and give it a try. I started by cutting the material into pieces. And remember guys, always stay safe and use your PPE. To join the two pieces of the desk I made some wooden dowels. I decided to use my scroll saw for this. I plan in many more projects with this saw in the future. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. I marked where the dowels would go and drilled the holes in both parts. Then I applied some wood glue and joined them together. To make the bond even stronger, I used some leftover baseboard scraps as braces and clamped everything down. I let that dry overnight. Next I moved onto the insulation. I cut the foam to size and used specialized adhesive. For better insulation I went with 2 layers of foam. To ensure a solid bond I let it dry overnight, weighted down with some boards and kettlebells. I kept it in a warm spot because it's pretty chilly in the garage. The next day I remeasured everything and realized I needed to trim the glued cover and the foam to make sure everything was perfectly square. I think the rest of the process is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll let the footage speak for itself. If you watched this far, please feel free to ask questions in the comments. If I did something wrong, I'm open to constructive criticism. Thanks for watching.